Davinci Resolve is coming to the iPad. What about Lumafusion? When it will be coming to the Android ecosystem? Let's try out this video, shall we? Let's go. First thing first, I have to defend Rumours, okay? The company that create Lumafusion. They are a very small company, minute. Okay, minute. I understand you guys have been promising by Samsung in their Samsung unboxed beginning of the year, around 9 months ago. But unfortunately, I have no news, no good news, okay? Now, from the rumors that are coming around and my interaction with Rumours, I'm afraid it would be next year, first quarter of next year. So you can expect around that time, okay? But I understand, it's frustrating when you just bought a brand new Samsung Tab S8 Ultra. Some of you bought the Ultra just to do video editing. Totally understand why you're frustration, okay? But learn this lesson. Do not count the chicken before it hatch. You guys are counting the chicken before it hatch. A lot of things can go wrong. Learn that lesson, learn it, okay? And don't presume a big company like Samsung can deliver. They're just a company. Normally, if you don't hold your hand, if you can't use it straight away, it's no good for you. So I'm sorry guys, but this is the reality. If you guys are desperately want to use a tablet, lightweight tablet to do your video editing, I suggest you guys to switch to an iPad. Whatever model suit your taste and budget. Sell your Samsung at a loss. Sorry, unfortunately it's at a loss, okay? That's the reality of every time you open the box. That's it, 50% gone. Sell on the second market, eBay, what have you, okay? But get rid of that and get into the iOS system. I understand some of you guys don't like it, me too. I used to smash this stuff for a living, okay? I used to do a recycling plant and I smash this stuff. So I'm not a fan of Apple. Hey, but leave that personal stuff aside. Use this thing as a utility purpose. My name is Travis Chow. I'm a TimelapseNuts. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you find the video interesting. Sorry to hear the bad news, but that's the reality, guys. Reality. I'll see you next time with another video. Bye.